Hello, we are Team Grid Novo and today we are here to present our working prototype.
Sources like solar and wind, microgrid monitoring has become a challenge. Without real-time insights, it is difficult to track generations, consumption and efficiency, leading to energy losses and poor optimization. Our solution is a smart monitoring system where the ESP32 microcontroller collects from different sensors and transmits it to a web dashboard for visualization and analysis. In our prototype, it consists of a current sensor, a voltage sensor, a DHT11 sensor, and an ESP32 microcontroller.
In all, as you can see, we have also prepared a dashboard, an online web dashboard for our project, our prototype, which is a working model of microgrids, renewable energy monitoring. As you can see, we have prepared multiple parameters like how much energy is consumed daily and how much energy is generated daily. As you can see, we have also prepared multiple prediction values using AI-enabled features such as we can also predict the value of today, tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. Now, let us have a look at the graphs, the statistics that we have prepared on our working model. As you can see, there is a 10-minute interval between each output that is present on the graphs. There is temperature, humidity, current and voltage. Now, let us have a look at what alerts we can get. We can get multiple types of alert on our web dashboard regarding the outputs that we get from statistics and the graphs. Now, we can also generate reports. The reports that are classified by the government of Odisha, we can generate those reports and we can also have the stamp of, also give multiple types of alerts. As you can see, we can get multiple types of alerts. We can get the message that we are going to get and the timestamp and its current status. Now, let us have a look. We have also integrated our own AI chatbot. Now, let us see what we can ask to this chatbot. Let's say we have asked what is Grid Novo. Grid Novo is a renewable energy monitoring dashboard that tracks real-time solar and wind generation, energy consumption, battery status, and environmental data from our ThinkSpeak IoT sensors. Now, we have also shared our contact like our email, phone support. We are available for 24/7 and our headquarters is out. Take a look at energy metric graphs. There are temperature, humidity, current and voltages. We have also can generate energy reports based on what date we want. Suppose we want for 25th September. And end date is 25th September night time. We can include various parameters like temperature, humidity, current, voltage. We can also find out the amount of energy generated and the consumed times. Now we can select various parameters and deselect them. And for further, we export it to a PDF. You can see we have created our Excel sheet for the various parameters that we have selected. We have created the date, the time based on latitude and longitude. The Excel sheet, we can proceed to our profiles. Now, here for authentication, you have to put your username and your password. If you don't have it, you can create one. Now, let us see in the field management. We can add a new field. As we have seen in the Excel sheet, we can create multiple fields. You can add a new field, you can edit the current field, and you can also delete a field. Now, here is our contact support. Let us have a look at the field settings. Now, in this field settings, we can define what type of field, how much output we want, and on the basis of that, we can generate SMS alerts or alerts, various types of alerts. We can set the parameters. We can set the threshold temperature. We can set the voltage threshold to a particular value, and we can generate the SMS alerts for it. Now, let us suppose that if the value of goes over 40 and 250 at the same time, then it will generate an alert that both the temperature threshold and the voltage threshold have been exceeded. You must maintain it. Now, additional features, we have also added a dark mode to our web dashboard, and due to language barriers, we have added 5 different languages: Malayalam, Kannada, and Tamil, and Hindi. Added Hindi language. Now we can see how much energy is being consumed, how much energy is being generated, and is for government officials to work on rural areas. And this project is basically designed for the government of Odisha. I would like to thank you for your time. Thank you.